over time with use, you might find that the bottom pad of your heat press machine becomes loose or just looks bad and needs to be replaced. To do that, they are peel and stick, so you'll just kind of get an edge up here. Kind of work around the edges. This one obviously looks perfect, but this is just for demonstration purposes. And peel that old pad off. And then you can get new pads from Unitherm if you like. And you just take off the white backing, reveal the adhesive, and then just stick it in place. And you're all done.